guys, it's Dash with MilitaryWifeTV.com, and today I'm going to help you guys with a Korean dish. And I don't know how to say it, but basically it's a sweet and sour fried chicken. It's almost similar to like a sesame chicken that you get at a Chinese restaurant, or a sweet and sour chicken, but it's more of a sweet and it has a spicy taste. I've never made this before. This is actually a recipe that I saw about a month or two ago, and she also has a YouTube page. Her name is Maangchi. I'll put her name somewhere here, and the actual name for the Yangnyeom Tongdak, I will put that there because I don't know what it is. Basically, seasoned fried chicken. So I'm going to basically make that today. And first, you will need. She used actually drumette. I'm using the wings of the chicken, and I'll show you other ingredients. Now for this you will need we're going to pour that, we're going to pour a cup of flour. It also calls for 1 egg. We're going to put the egg. And as far as the baking soda, we're going to use, I hope I'm not flashing you guys, 1 teaspoon. Okay. So now all the dry ingredients are in. You're going to mix by hand. You can just fry your chicken all at once, but to make it the recipe, the chicken crispy, it says to fry twice. We're going to put as much as we can. I'm going to take these out and let them drain. I'm just going to add the other one that didn't get fried. There are 4 of them. I'm going to take my those 4 fry. Cook on both sides, and when I come back I will be halfway done refrying this batter of chicken the second time. Be back in a minute, you guys. I'm going to take 1/3 cup of ketchup. And I'm just going to take a spatula to get everything out. Ow! Then you're going to take 1/4 cup of your spicy tomato paste. Okay, now you're going to take 1/3 cup of rice syrup. It's very thick. This is going to give you the sweetness. Fried or along here that interested in this recipe. One thing is to add the vinegar. I'm going to put that up on it and just going to stir that in. burn. This is the point where you add in chicken. You just add as much as you know, according to your pan size. If you have a bigger pan than this one, then you know you can probably fit all of it. You just go into the sauce. Coat it evenly. Okay, you guys, so I'm done, and I'm going to try it on camera. Lord help. Anytime I eat spicy foods, I like to have like a base. So good old VH slash medley is like my favorite flavor. I love the fruit medley. Put it on myself. So I'm going ahead and try it. I don't feel like I'm going to so we get it every time. It looks just like this in chicken from Chick Chinese restaurant. So if you want to make these like with a boneless kind of thing, you probably put like some white rice. Same probably. Yeah, this is good. It's not like the crunchiness from the chicken, and then it's like, it's spicy, but the spicy turns around, it's like a sweet tangy. That's not really good. Okay, so I definitely recommend this. Oh my god. This is really good, y'all. So, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions on what I use, where I got them from, or anything about this recipe, you can leave them down. Thanks again, and this is ArmyWiseTV.com, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.